Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is the Let We Go channel, and this is your boy Chris. And yeah, the beautiful Jeanine is right over there, and she decided to surprise her boy with a little dinner vibe. So I say, well, hey, if you go in and surprise me, well then you need to be the one driving and carrying me and saying, babe, we don't know where we're going. And but McGill Pawn are kind of ensemble here. It would have just been absolutely wrong of me to allow her to drive. So I had to drive. I had to drive this beautiful queen that I have here with me today. And if all you see, she G's on her edges. All you little people. Take a peep.
Hi guys.
She's a lad! Directions because she don't only know where it is. Follow me.
To my right. Right behind me to my right. Okay. So what to do? Follow you.
Uh-huh. We get escorted.
Okay. Alright, cool. Yeah.
This thing's serious. Alright, so we just parked opposite Uncle Beddoes in Santa Cruz. Oh, look. Alright. So we're being hosted here. Look! Alright. So guys, I don't know.
This is, guys, an intimate dining experience. And when we say dining, dine in.
Dine in.
Yeah?
There's a dine hideaway. Oh wow. So as I walk in, there's this slideshow that's playing with Jay and I, and something I'm sure that Jay put together or got someone to put together. So
I just sent, she asked me, send her some pictures of us. I did that. And then she said, is there anything in particular you want to say? So all of this conversation is happening today while I'm driving. And I'm like, oh God, well, I don't know what to say offhand because I'm driving, but you could say this. And I knew that the minute that we got married, before we got married, that, you know, our marriage would be an adventure.
I didn't let you guys know that I married this beautiful queen here. I was looking to have like some specific special video for that. But I'm going to know now. I mean, they had snippets of it with me when my ring and Jay wearing her ring and thing. And little snippets that probably y'all picked up on, but yeah, we married. Alright, so guys, let me go meet the she and the he that in charge of all of this. Because I don't know.
The host and the chef.
And the chef. Let me go.
There we go.
So guys, I just bouncing and all you see in my background here. A real serious dining experience going on happen here. The jazz music playing, it just making everything so nice and just sexy.
I don't want to go any other restaurant. No other restaurant for me, guys.
None. Wow.
Nah. Intimacy is it.
Oh,
it's on fleek. The decor is on fleek. And it's just inviting. As you come in, the light is dim, the music, the lights, oh my gosh.
There's just sexiness going on here. Nice to meet you guys. Oh wow. This looks amazing.
Amazing.
Appetizer just reached. First bite. Now let me see. Serious. So this appetizer, it's a broccoli soup. It's quite delicious.
It's only just begun and I am wowed already. And it is not easy to wow me with food. I'm a harsh critic because I love food that really tastes good. Yeah, this is really good.
And there's more. Channel, we now bust up a meal there, belly full, and everything tasted spectacular. And I have the honor and the privilege to interview the chef and his beautiful wife. What inspired this? And let me start off by actually finding out what is the name of this.
Well, it's Chef Nora's. I think this was built years ago. Just being around my dad because he was a great chef.
Awesome.
And although he will run me, you could see that he wanted me around and he wanted me to learn.
Nice.
And he want me to take over his business that he had.
Nice.
So he got a stroke.
Okay.
Yeah, and that kind of put a hold on, I guess, my dreams.
Okay.
Because I always wanted to do stuff with him. We started off actually doing stuff for the president, like little dinners and stuff.
The president?
Yeah, the president. So he would give me little stuff to do, make puff, make pastries and stuff. So it was really exciting.
Nice.
It's so sad that he got a stroke.
Right.
But it was a long time ago.
Nice.
And I'm so glad right now that I got the opportunity being back by this wonderful lady here.
Love strength, yes!
Things, well, as you can see, things came on stream. I'm so
Correct.
grateful and so thankful for that. During this whole COVID experience, which was difficult and everybody had to like shift from the norm, we decided that everybody loved to hang out, but that was one of our big things. We're not just chilling, eating food, just seeing what's there out there and try to come home and try to make it or make it better.
Right.
And yeah, we miss that. I know a lot of people who have been in that same boat. Just have to just go out and just relax, eat, have a great time. This is how the plated experience came about.
Nice.
Where we could give that whole experience privately because obviously, you know, you can't. Yes,
At
officially.
restaurants.
Exactly.
But this is a catered event.
Yes, this is a catered event,
Okay.
private. You could come here, have fun. You could basically, it's the same experience that you would have gone out and to a big restaurant.
What is like the maximum that you will be able to cater for when things open up fully?
I will comfortably say, 12.
12?
Six couples.
Six couples, okay. And you don't want to do it too much more than that because it starts to get crowded.
Yes.
Right.
Guys, thank you so much for this because
For sure.
what I'd like to see is, and then I just wanted to do something special for Chris because, you know, he's wonderful to me, a really great husband, and,
All right.
and he's my adventure and home all in one. And I wanted to capture something that could make him feel at home, could make him feel, special, could make him feel that, what did I do to deserve this boy? Which is exactly what he's
Correct.
like, Dave, why, how?
Yeah.
You know, and I just wanted him to feel special today.
This is my beautiful wife, and I'm thanking her publicly for this amazing opportunity to come and dine at Chef Nora's at Santa Cruz, and we had an absolutely divine time, and I was able to have a fantastic opportunity to meet our chef of the night, Chef Dion, thank you so very much, and his beautiful wife, Nariba, and they hosted us so absolutely perfectly.
Yes.
And this could not have been done without Jeanine, so thank you so very much. Guys, you could definitely check out this power couple, this opportunity at Chef Nora's at Santa Cruz, and I'm going to leave all of the information in the description below, so please
Yes.
give them a call.
Chef Nora's, let me go!